Happy evening, friends. In the afternoon, I was reading an article and I felt it was so interesting, and I felt it would be better to share some of the contents of that articles so that may be useful for you. That is, the concept is E plus R is equal to O. It's not mathematics, it's not physics. E stands for an event. R stands for response. And O stands for outcome. Now, R is known as a R factor. So, situation or event or circumstances in most of the cases are common in any organization. But R factor is different from person to person, from organization to organization, from leader to leader. So, when there is a unfavorable situation, undesirable conditions, unhappy situation in an organization, as a leader of that team, as a head of the organization, how do you respond? That is important factor. That is known as R factor. So because of a mistake made by a worker, by an employee, a problem arose in the organization. So how do you respond? The outcome comes on basing on your response. So instead of reacting immediately, instead of bombarding that employee, instead of taking action against that employee, if you can find out the reason for that mistake, for that grass mistake, for that blunder, is the employee did it by mistake or with any malicious intention? You must find out. See, by mistake, if an employee does, try to forgive him and motivate other employees, explain the situation, respond calmly, coolly, get back to the normal situation. Then employees will have a great confidence in you. Employees will give utmost respect to you. They will feel that organization is theirs and they work more efficiently than previously. So if you are a person of aggressive nature, if you are a person of having perfection everywhere, and you are a person of non-tolerable attitude, then immediately you react rather than respond. Your R factor is not in a proper way. So then you will scold the employee, you will take the action, you will get him out of the organization. So other employees feel that employee did not do it with any intention, by mistake it happened. You could have excused him, you could have excused him, you could have forgiven him. Like that people think, and they for at least some days their moods are off. That has an indirect effect. So that's why R factor is nowadays an important factor in any organization. So that's why remember, E plus R is equal to O. Event plus responding factor, your response gives you the outcome. So E plus R is equal to O. So follow this, you will be getting beneficial results. Have a nice day. Thank you.